This is a quick video review of the Pixel key light with desk mount C-clamp. This light is considered an LED video light, but it has many more uses than that. It is a bicolor studio light that has color temperature range between 3000 and 8000 K. The first part of the light setup includes attaching the stand arm to the C-clamp. As you can see here, I've already attached the C-clamp to the tabletop and I'm screwing the mount arm onto the exposed screw. Next, we will attach the light panel to the mount. The light already has an adapter on the panel, so you just have to place it on the stand and tighten the screw. Finally, you have to insert the power cable. You have to firmly press this in place in order for it to be a solid connection. Now we are going to go through a series of demos to show the light's operation. First, you power the light on. The light comes with a wireless remote that can control the brightness and color temperature of the light. As you can see here, I'm changing the brightness level by using the remote and the quick brightness adjust button, which changes the level in 25% increments. Next, we are going to change the color temperature by using the dial on the back of the light panel. You simply press the button in the center of the dial and then turn the dial. This dial also controls the brightness level of the light. Finally, we are going to show how well the light works in this living room setting by changing the brightness levels and then the color temperature setting. The Pixel key light is a great option for an all-around multi-purpose light. It's easy to use, budget-friendly, and can be integrated into your workspace seamlessly. It's a great asset for people who need a little extra light for video conferences as well as certain photography projects.